What happened, bro?
Danny Duncan put my truck somewhere.
Can't find it?
No. Man, that dude sucks, man.
He over there laughing too.
Hey, Danny! Hey, where'd you put my truck at? Why'd you park it so far? There's 20 parking spots right here.
What's good, my peoples? It's your boy June coming to you again with another adventure. So today I'm gonna announce that I am to be the brand new brand ambassador for Shorlock Marine. We're gonna get more into details later, but so you guys understand, it's a rack company that just started up, and I'll tell you right now, they have been doing nothing but awesome racks. I mean, catering to the people and everything. So these guys will see a bunch of different racks, and just check them out. You know, the links will also be in my description, so check it out. But you guys follow me, like this video, and we are going to go and ride down the Kissimmee River and show everybody what the river is all about. So with that, people, let's go.
About 30 minutes, you can have it. I'm gonna go.
30 minutes?
30 minutes?
Plenty of time.
Oh,
no,
you're gonna gulp it in your mouth.
No, I'm like 20 minutes away.
Yeah,
Station right down the road.
bull.
That corner station.
Why are you always late?
Why are you always late?
Because I have
Who's with you?
Tell them your status.
Who's with you?
I'll turn my location on so
Yeah.
you guys can see where I'm at.
Yeah, I'll turn mine
Why are you
on.
always late though? You didn't
Click.
answer us.
Hey, I'm with my mouth.
But you like it in your mouth.
No, I don't, man.
You tasted that one,
Hey.
it hit your lip.
Look, hold on.
you go.
See how thin he is?
I didn't tell you.
See, he's pretty thin, right?
10.
Guess his weight. Don't say nothing.
He's heavy. He said something.
Don't say
I
nothing.
saw him.
Yeah, but how much do you think he weighs?
240?
He's
I
slim.
forgot. He said
240?
How much?
No, he was up there like two. He was up.
Tell him what you weigh.
What do you think?
It's a giant. It's about 300.
Yeah. That bitch is 300 pounds, bro.
He's also not 5'8".
Yeah.
5'8".
No, he said he's not 5'8".
I think we're all about 5'8".
Stand next to him. It shows the difference. Stand next to him.
Every time I see him, he's in the gym.
You're down.
Back at it, guys. We just stopped at our famous tree on the Kissimmee River. Everybody is chilling, enjoying this beautiful weather. Tony, how nice it is right now.
What's up, guys? It's beautiful today. We had almost 60 skis show up today. Beautiful turnout. So far, so good.
Bro, did you see what I found in the bushes?
What's up? Come here, look.
Right here. A red-headed kid.
Red-headed whippersnapper.
A little whippersnapper.
Anyway, so we're still on the river. We're having a great time. What's the next stop? River Ranch, right?
No, we're going to Dingling Alley. That's going to be off the edge. It's called Dingling Alley.
Oh yeah, Lock's next, but
Only Danny knows where that's at.
all right. So
We're going to pass Dingling Alley on the left.
this is why I can't take that guy nowhere. But you guys, come along. Here we go. Wait, that's a big announcement. You don't have snacks?
Reporting live for June's World. I ran out of snacks today. Okay, I was running late because I was waiting for Will, which told me at the last minute I can make it, and I couldn't go public. So now I'm out of. My sugar's low. I need some snacks.
Give this man a banana.
There you go.
Oh,
That's what I'm talking
yes.
about. Subscribe down, down below. June's World. Subscribe.
Love that man. There you go. You got more. Oh, the man came in clutch. There you
What
go.
I'm talking about.
Guys, so we are at the lock system, and when you come over here with 60 jet skis, you gotta wait at least 30 to 45 minutes to get through. And they only allow 10 people in at a time into the lock system. As you can see, everybody's waiting in line. There's more over that way. What else can you do but sit around and wait?
Guys, you can watch this.
Color alone. Oof. Damn. Peace. of gas. That's all I need. Guys, it is the end of the day and we are getting out of here. Kissimmee River once again has pleased every single one of us. Nothing but good times. Boy, let me tell you, guys, if you haven't rode here, like I said, come out, check it out, but also be careful. This place is definitely dangerous if you do not know what you're doing on your own ski. It's a blast. We had 60 jet skis out here today, 60 jet skis. And let me tell you, each and every one of these people had a blast. They had a blast. These skis, man, we have all types of skis, from Hondas, from Wave Runners, to Seadoos. Everybody comes out here together and rides. It's a community thing. It's a family thing. We love it. It's awesome. You guys want to join us? Please follow us on Florida Ski Riders on Facebook, and just follow us. You know, you can join any ride you want. It's, you know, a community, like I said, and you can find people in your areas to ride with you. So with that, guys, oh, before I go, I also want to say thank you to Shorlock Marina for blessing me with this opportunity to become their brand ambassador. And you know, this whole year is gonna be it's gonna be a new experience for me because of everything that I'm doing. And I tell you, I'm excited. I'm very excited, and I can't wait to see what else comes across us this year. And guys, also don't forget, go check out SherlockAnchors.com and peep you up one of those awesome racks. You're unique, and you can personalize your rack. What else can I say, people? But I am out. Another beautiful day. I'm out of here. Peace. I left them in the dust. I was like, they ain't gonna catch me.
I don't know, I hear them.
Caught me. They caught me. Watch, you be like, Nico. Ain't nothing going on here. Keep it moving. Keep it moving.
Keep it moving.